guys, today we're playing Dandy's World. I got good, my dream tune, my other dream tune, and this is my friend. Say hi.
Hello. Hello.
Oh my God, this is gonna be a crazy day. Third wheel right now, guys. Me being a third wheel. I'm leaving. I'm leaving.
Wow, I got third wheel you.
No.
This is what I felt like.
Guys, look, I'm gonna say in the chat.
Huh? Me mad. Okay, let's go.
Me
Aw.
mad.
You got two healers here. Yeah, you got two healers, and then we have one skill check and two distractors.
True.
Yeah, you have two distractors and two healers, and I'm the extractor.
Guys.
I'm a healer and a distractor.
If you guys are new, I am Sophia. Sophia Squats, aka Cookie. And this is my friends, Eunice and Loris. You guys will think that they're twins and they're not twins. Because I know their names are similar, but they're not twins. Right, guys?
We are literally living in different houses.
Yes.
How do I have a sibling?
Thank you. So please enjoy the video.
Oh yeah, I have to be in someone.
So distracting right now. I'm gonna be the main distractor, guys. Yes or no?
Yeah, me. Well, that's already one heal at the start of the game. 100 saves. Oh no, I forgot I was playing on phone, not PC. I have to be on phone.
Guys, I'm lagging. Guys, I'm lagging again.
You're lagging?
Yes.
You know the rule. Give Sprout the tapes and give me the healing.
Okay. Where's the twisted?
Dazzle already. Shrimpo.
Oh, where's Shrimpo?
There's Razzle and Dazzle and Shrimpo. Over there.
Okay.
Other side. Other side.
Oh, that's already.
Bro, can we rerun? I need to be on phone. I need to eat as well.
Bro, go back.
No, why? I have to, because I'm gonna be on phone. I need to eat.
Not everyone's gonna be at phone. Okay, guys.
I'm on phone because I...
Who ran?
Oh, who died?
It's Eunice. Guys, we should start over again.
I think we should start over, guys.
Okay, let me just turn off the camera. Guys, we're gonna restart because our dang ass friend, we're gonna play.
I should also wait to say in the call. I'm gonna change the call device.
Okay, guys. Oh my God. Guys, we should end. Okay, guys, I think I'm gonna die, so okay. Guys, I think we're gonna start over, so. Okay, guys, Hi guys, we have to restart it because our friends, because we need to change devices. Okay, let's go now.
Did you already record the intro?
Yeah.
Earlier?
No, I cut it out. I just have the intro.
Just crop it out, bro.
I don't edit, I just send it right away. I already have a lot of views. I remember that one that me and Eunice were like matching tunes. I already have 3K. I'm joking. Not 3K, I just got a little bit 100. That was good. I love it. I love the views.
Sophia, you better tag us.
Fine.
Yippee! Now my chance to get views.
Guys, I'm gonna tag my friends in the comments or title. I don't care.
I don't care. Just do it in the description.
Yeah. I hear spoon, so what the heck? Guys, imagine someone made like a tune but spoon and fork. I'm so...
No, that's gonna be like Razzle and Dazzle.
Guys, I'm a knife. Remember my tune is a knife? Oh my god, perfect. Has been... I'm joking.
Remember the deal.
I'm joking.
Please.
Please,
Need the bad names and the bad kids.
please like and subscribe. I just sing that with a high pitch. Who is it?
Oh no, I stole Fred's tapes! How dare you?
Louie, ah!
Fred to society!
Okay guys, I didn't know Louie was here. Because
What do you mean?
I got them. Oh, Shrimpo. Okay, come here, Shrimpo. Shrimpo is more harder because I died to him.
Jumper cable.
You know why?
Guys, you want jumper cable? Oh, yes!
You gotta be kidding me. I got the tight one.
Wrong way, bro!
What? Wrong way?
I see tapes. I see tapes in the middle.
Oh my god.
There's like a jumper cable here. Where? Are you? You didn't pass it. You weren't looking. Oh my, yeah.
Is ever okay? Oh, thank you. Thank you for giving me this big. There's a tape. There's a tape.
Wait.
You gotta be
There's a
kidding
machine
me.
on the other side.
Wait, just wait.
Air horn. Air
Okay.
horn. Give us the instructors.
No, Louie, don't lose interest of me. I am your don't lose interest of me. Now.
Yummy tapes.
Guys, Louie lost interest of me.
Yeah.
You gotta be kidding me. I cannot go there. I will get a hit first. I'm gonna get a hit. Wait, Louie. Let me just get Louie. If I get a hit, who cares anyways? Okay. Oh my god, I'm the best joker, guys. I'm the best joker in the world.
Is a main. What is his second ability?
He can see... Bro.
He can see the hearts.
True.
Yeah.
When someone gets damaged.
He can identify if it's like half broken heart or just broken or almost broken heart. Which detects full. No, like if the turn is like 2 stars, okay.
You guys are just watching me. Hello. I went out.
I keep getting good job.
Okay.
I already did good job.
I keep joking, bro. I keep juking people. I keep juking the twisted, bro. I'm a joker.
Because you're good at distracting. Are you gonna come in?
I'm lagging. Oh my god. I get lag when... Oh my god. Hold on.
No, I don't need it.
You literally scared me. If you guys...
Oh my god. 22 more. I can't waste my sticks. I can't waste it.
I just got... How did I already got 16 tapes? I didn't take any tapes, bro. If you guys enjoyed the video, please drop a like. Please give me 300 subscribers. I will be so happy. Who is it? Oh my god, it's your evil twin! Evil twin! Luis!
Why?
Louie again?
I think I need like 5 more tapes to get like, you know,
Guys, why is Louis everywhere now? I keep getting Louis, bro. Let me juke first. Let me juke because I'm a pro. A little bit.
Imagine Cosmo eats Cosmo.
No, not.
Sprout eats Sprout. Razzle and Dazzle eats Razzle and Dazzle.
Cannibal.
Poppy eats Poppy.
Nah, you have to blow.
Roger eats Roger
How you can eat, bro? He doesn't even have a mouth.
So that's even possible.
Yeah.
How
And
is Dandy possible, bro?
I thought I really want Sprout and Cloud.
Guys, for Astro eats icorn.
You mean drink?
Where are you?
You mean drink? Right?
Sorry, said eat.
Okay.
I wanna eat icorn too.
Me too. How did you know that?
Man, I wanna eat tapes.
Bro, hey, that's my line.
And I want to eat hearts.
Guys, can someone give me a tapes to eat? Oh, I almost died. Not not
Bro,
that.
the only one that wants to eat tapes is Sprout and Dandy.
No, I eat tapes, bro.
And Megan.
I am AKA. I'm half. I'm half. Go already. I'm distracting.
Bro, I have 4-star movement. I do nothing. I'm here. I'm waiting. Yes, you can just hug.
Okay, let me go there then. Where are you?
I'm literally just right here. Did you not see me?
That was so close.
Yeah,
How did we already got that? Look at me right now. I look so derpy. Derpy derper. Gooby. One little happy star running around. Too happy.
Yes, and Sophia, what is our goal?
I don't know.
Just play.
Yeah. Finn.
Let's date. No!
How did you lose interest of me, bro? How did Oh!
That's a scoop.
Bro, I have two. How did Finn lose interest of me?
But I had to use one.
Oh, I'm joking now. Did you, Finn?
Oh, there it is. True. I am a
Finn again? Why the frick Finn is so? Why does Finn lose interest of me, bro?
Because Finn is slow.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me, Finn. That's why Finn is is my least second favorite.
Bro, the least I hate is literally the latest twisted for me is Pebble.
Me too.
Thank you so much. Sprout.
Sprout is the goat. Anyways.
You're already
Do. I said dodo.
The one the hated twisted one is first Pebble, then second Groove. No, it's twisted.
I know.
Not June.
I know. I remember I was distracting Pebble. I already died.
Yeah. Groove is so much.
I am.
Oh, I missed.
Bro, it's okay you miss. I'm already
I know
good.
you're distracted. How did I miss again? Why? You have to think you got. You have to think you got. No, my stop at the white.
Oh, I almost got hit.
It's so small. I can't. Okay, who's on last? I'm on this.
Please do it already. I'm praying for you.
Please do it already, bro. I want to go and buy Dandy.
What?
You want Dandy? I kind of I want to buy it to Dandy, but yeah, I want Dandy also. I need to heal you so bad.
Damn.
You'll be so bad.
Okay, run. Let me sprint, bro.
I healed you.
Let me. Okay, never mind. Bro, just standing outside right now.
Okay, I have 26 seconds now. Wait, what does that say?
Are we getting a Dandy's run?
No, I can't buy.
I cannot buy.
I can't buy because I need tips to do it. I want to ask a question. What does the coin first do? Coin first gives you tips.
Oh no, Dandy's run.
30 tips? Yeah, I think so, yeah. I thought it was 100. How did you get 100?
Oh, I'm already gone. Guys, recipe.
No! Fancy purse is like 100.
Oh, I thought if it's $2, I'm literally gonna cry. If
I
it's,
am blind.
guys, if it's $2, I'm literally gonna
No,
sleep in
I
here.
didn't get any research capsules yet. And no, I don't think it's close. Oh, shoot. No. I have been caught by Shrimpo. Help! I bandage. Bandage. Where? Bandage. They are like near the real elevator. Real? Oh, I have to go back. Yeah, with the completed machine, I'm there. Oh, there's a complete machine. Come here. I found it. It's over there. Bandage.
Guys, I'm just walking. No! Did you lose interest again? Shrimp! That's why. There's a machine! I didn't know this! Okay, guys, Shrimp was on the loose.
Oh no! Oh shoot. You actually messed up, bro. I literally messed up. You actually messed up. Shrimple's gonna come and get you.
Shrimp was on the loose again. That's why Shrimp. Oh, Shrimp. I juke. Bro, I literally juke. I'm the guy. I'm a juker.
I found the other two. It's near the it's near where Goob is distracting.
Let me go somewhere then. But I will bump into a wall. I will get hit. That's classic me.
Oh, my skill check.
Bro, my...
Not again! Is Shrimp on the loose?
No, not yet. I hate it when I'm in small spaces. There.
Oh my god! I just took the fake elevator.
Yippee.
The last one, I doing the other one. The last one is near the real elevator, I think. Yeah.
It's already used, I think. Thank you.
Yeah, but I think you see it.
I know how to.
Yeah, I know. No, I didn't click to press the skill check. How did I miss?
That's why I was distracting, bro.
I didn't check because the button of the is so small.
I
Now
thought.
I'm exploring.
Do not go to the fake elevator.
Yeah, I know, right? On the fake elevator.
I think I'll get hit when Sprout is done with that. Because they're so fast.
You have the big coin purse. Does that give you 100 tapes?
No, just in the...
Fancy purse.
Only
No,
gives...
the fancy purse is the one I'm using right now gives 100. Every game you play, or yeah?
Just use once.
Oh, yeah. As soon as you're in the elevator, you get 100 instantly. When you're in the elevator, that's only one. No, at the start of the game. At the start of the game.
Okay, go now. I'm going there. I'm sprinting over there. Let me sprint. I don't care. I'm wasting all my stamina. Legendary.
Are you okay?
Tapes. Tape. Oh my god, I have to restock all my stamina. Like it, guys, subscribe to my channel for this. How did I get 100? Thank you, no blackouts. Razzle and Dazzle? That was fast. Poppy. Where's Poppy? Poppy playtime. Guys, I almost picked up a tape by accident.
Oh, Poppy!
Coming! I'm sprinting over there.
Poppy's at the loose. I can take it. No!
Wait. Come here. Remember me for century. I am a legend. Legends never die. I'm joking. I will go.
Finish. How fast was that? Pretty fast, I go lie. I need tips.
I need chocolate.
I have chocolate. You need half. There's tapes here.
I actually almost picked it up by
Near
accident.
the fake elevator, near the not finished cafeteria. Oh, near the capsule I'm using right now.
Machine?
Near the machine capsule. The machine capsule. There's a machine capsule now.
Look at me distracting right now.
Wait, so it's not a strawberry?
Yeah.
Yes, strawberry. Yes, so a strawberry is best friends with chocolate cake.
Do you?
Am I correct?
Yes.
Bro! Bro! If I would use chocolate, it would be the meat!
Guys, if
Few more seconds left.
guys,
Three more seconds.
remember the ship name Fruitcake?
Oh, it's so far away! Don't sprint yet, I'm very far away!
I know.
Okay, we're good, we can go.
Wait, let me eat chocolate. Activate. I'm glowing up. Thank you.
I thought it was actually gonna pull me. I
did-
just like profits, but
Oh no no no!
wait, okay.
That scared me so much.
I can't buy.
That scared me so much, bro. Thank you.
What me and you have in common? We are using speedy shoes.
Bro, wait.
Wow, free! I do this one.
Hit now dance. Hey, who's it?
I don't know.
Poppy and who? Poppy playtime and who?
I don't know.
That was not a question. Shrimpo! Whoa!
Wow. I want to get Pebble though, but
No!
I know Govin's gonna die to Pebble.
You
So
know
I
that.
Instead of Pebble, I want Astro. Shelly, but Shelly's also gonna be the same, like near the same speed as Pebble. So
No, it's not. A little bit.
Oh!
Where's shrimp? Wait, Poppy's in the loose?
Oh, no, Poppy's on the loose!
Oh no!
No, I'm eating it to Poppy. I'm eating Poppy.
I'm looking for Poppy right now. Shrimpo is so slow. I have to freaking stop.
Following me. I'm in near the fake elevator.
Bro, I'm going to the real elevator. You gotta be kidding me. Wait. I'm coming.
Obvious. No, I'm not in the fake elevator anymore.
I'm coming to the rescue.
Never mind, it's at the...
Ah! The jump scared me.
Okay, good. That's good. At least it's not on the loose anymore.
Do not disturb me. Hit now dance. Hit now dance.
I saw like a tape. I'm waiting for you to pass.
There's a machine here.
I know.
I'm going back. Actually, I distracted Shelly, remember?
Mm-hmm.
It was torture. You need to just watch me just torture. I have to wait for Shrimpo! Shrimpo's so slow, that's why I have to stop and unstop.
Yeah, sure. Where are you? To be honest.
I need to stop. Let me stop. Oh, Poppy! Okay.
I'm checking every area to keep.
Eunice has the last one. Then please like and subscribe for this.
How did I mess up?
How
I
did
have
you?
exactly 300. Wow.
I have 300.
I have 100. And I have 100 because I have 206.
I was joking, bro.
I'm waiting for y'all.
I'm waiting for Eunice.
Okay, we're at the elevator.
Let me just walk. Let me just unwalk. Let me walk. Let me unwalk. Let me unwalk. Walk, walk.
We're not trying to get pulled. We just want a bit. We're gonna get pulled. Where are you? Oh, man!
Oh!
Oh, shit! I'm so close! I'm close! Oh, I'm close! I thought you were actually not gonna pull me, bro.
That scared her.
I was really scared because I was big.
Bro got scared. Bro, like and subscribe. Guys, like and subscribe. Guys, like and subscribe for her.
I will do the newest one.
Whoa! Flutter!
Flutter! Is it Flutter also destructor?
Yes! Same as Goog. So I have to sprint a while.
Again.
Oh. Why there's so many machines around? I cannot sprint. Oh no.
There's so many when you can see so many machines.
Okay, I'm fine now.
Oh, for your bees. That's stupid.
Flutter, how did you lose interest of me?
Don't worry, you can distract yourself.
Hey, I'm going out because I'm get scared when I get hit. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm lagging, guys. I'm lagging. Oh no.
Oh no! I suck being distractors, but not only us. And then I don't suck as being distractor as Tisha.
Yeah, I don't know why.
So the distractors here are Tisha, Flutter, Lube, Bubbles, Sprout. What the?
What?
No!
I don't
I
that.
see the last one. But I'm doing one. The last one is your R&D.
Oh my god, that was so close. That was so close. Oh, I'm lagging. Oh no, I need to sprint some while.
Need to spread the lag and you're fighting Flutter.
Flutter be so fast when all the machines are done.
Yeah, when she...
Oh, that's why I'm freaking out.
I'm explored. Oh. I remember distracting Flutter and then it stopped.
Oh, I'm freaking out so badly.
Doing a research here. Checking your heart right now. I'm checking your heart. Go.
Sprint. Use all your pops.
We thank you for our tune handlers. Oh.
Flutter, stop losing.
Come on. I'm not gonna get pulled safe. Okay, yeah, bye from Denzi.
Okay. I'm full with pops.
I have that big cup of chocolate.
Guys, like and subscribe. And if you wanna see Larissa's channel, I will put it. Why? And some of you know her because Remember, some of my subscribers likes your channel too.
What do you mean that?
Gigi!
Gigi.
No! My Mexican dinner!
Okay, Gigi? Yeah, Gigi.
My Mexican dinner!
If I get this by Gigi, it's gold.
My Mexican dinner, bro!
Bro, I only have half.
My Mexican dinner!
That's my first. What's your Mexican dinner?
It is my Mexican dinner, bro. No, my
That's Gigi far away from Gigi, bro.
that's why I'm trying. I'm trying.
Let Gigi be free. You don't want to get stolen.
No, Gigi did. No, I'm not losing interest because I'm trying my best to dodge. My Mexican dinner! No!
I messed up. Can I do this track when they have 5 stars on movement speed?
They can.
Why? So let's go.
No!
Stars on movement speed.
My Mexican dinner!
No, bro, you're Mexican dinner.
I need that!
Oh, I see one. Oh, there's 8. There's 8 the
Wait, Gigi. My Mexican dinner! No!
I'm near the customer is always right poster.
My Mexican dinner's getting stealed today.
Bro, I
No!
bad from Gigi. That's like last round with me and Unique.
No, Gigi took my last one.
There, take.
No, my Mexican dinner. Gigi's being close to me.
Wait, so the pop is your Mexican dinner?
Yes.
Go backward.
No, Mexican dinner.
No, you have no more Mexican dinner?
Yes, no more.
No, I don't want to get stolen. Oh, heavy search. I need that.
Okay. Poppy's out in the loose.
No, Poppy. Oh, you kidding me? Poppy's gonna go to me. Ow!
You go. Gigi is the worst.
I messed up. Oh my god.
Poppy's out of the loose again. Stop messing up, please.
So I can go in the elevator and run. I'm lagging. You're lagging?
Both of them are out of the loose.
No, both of them. Are you kidding me? Okay, I am sure dead, bro.
Okay, Poppy's out of the loose again.
Okay, Jay, finally, I got a great job.
Finally.
Okay, got a good job again. Elevator.
Run. I'm gonna, oh no, both of them on me. Wait. Oh, faster.
Right, don't care, just go to the elevator. Remember, you have your ability.
Oh yeah, I keep forgetting. Wait, where are
Did
you?
you forget you have your ability?
Yes. I'm just gonna use it now. Bro, stop doing that. Oh my god, please like and subscribe. Because I really want to get 300 subscribers. Please, just for me. Please.
What did you guys pick?
I forgot.
Bro, I want to the bell.
Went to the back.
No! I'm gonna be blind now.
No, I'll be the one to be more blind. Is it Toodles?
Tape.
Is it Toodles? I'm literally gonna...
No, Finn. Tape's here.
No!
Finn, no!
Finn is black! Ah!
Finn!
Boxing!
Boxton? There's a Boxton, bro. Is there only 2?
Yes, and guys, Finn's out of the loose again. Guys, Finn's out of the loose.
What? Finn's out the loose?
Yes.
No.
And Boxing's out of the loose again.
No.
Both of them.
No. I can get a great job finally. Great job. Oh, no, good job.
Where's Finn? I'm looking for Finn.
Finn is Oh shoot, you should. No, don't eat it.
Wait. I will
The stuff store.
go to the fake elevator. That's where I am.
Can I do yours, Sprout? Yeah. Yippee!
Okay,
I'm outrunning him.
where is he?
I'm just walking. Finn, come here. I'm in here.
Thank you. Finish so slow.
So is Finn some box down loose yet?
No, they're not.
No.
I'm here.
Yes.
How did I only got hit in the low floor and I didn't got hit in the high floor. What the heck? What the heck? I just turned. I was loading, guys. Yeah, loading. Guys, if you guys see me like I'm not like good, that means I'm still loading, guys. Guys, I was loading, okay?
The only twisted I see is City Boxton.
Yeah. Finish too
You're
black.
just gonna mispronounce their name. And the only twisted I see is Boxton.
No, it's Blackson. It's Boxton. No, it's Boxy. It's Boxy, bro. It's Boxy.
Boxy from Macy Box.
Hey! Who's with me? Okay, guys. Boxton will be so fast, so let me go to the elevator now.
Okay, wait. Oh shoot, why did you guys let it already? I didn't realize.
Guys, finish on the
You
loose.
guys saw me and I started. Nah, I'm distracting.
Okay.
You can go to the elevator, I think. Yeah, you can go to the
You think?
yeah.
I knew it.
Push our eject button.
I wish I was not that. I wish I didn't. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry.
Who needs light? I think it's obvious me.
Oh, it's so obvious. Okay. Come here. Sorry. Oh, sorry. Let me buy this one.
Why the air horse or wherever you use it? Wait. I have an idea. Wait. You me, and I hear you back. You me, and I hear you back. This is the best way to do it.
Just do it already. I'm gonna be a third wheel over here.
Are we just awkwardly looking at each other?
Just do it already. I'm covering my eyes.
Wait.
Thank
Thank you so again.
I'm crying.
I'm too.
Don't tell me it's a main.
Oh, slide. Oh, this is the maze. Yeah.
Oh, who's that?
Oh, I'm blind. Bro, I'm going to dead ends. I know they are dead ends, but
Louis. That jump scared me. Louis and
Boston.
you gotta be kidding me.
Boston.
They make it, guys. Lead it to me in the middle right now.
You're in the middle.
Yes,
Okay.
perfect spot. I'm not going to the fake elevator.
You can go to the elevator.
Fine, I'm gonna go there then. If one of the oh,
Wait.
you gotta be kidding me. Oh, Boxton!
Boston.
I'm sorry.
It's alright. As long as I get hit, I'm fine. There's actually one machine near the fake elevator.
Please, thank you. I thought your niece would get hit, but I didn't know. No, there's a machine in the fake elevator. There's a machine in the fake elevator.
I'm not doing it. Just don't go in the middle.
Look at me right now.
I am back.
5 little,
First time because bro can't go to the middle.
one little happy star running around. Na 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 na. 2 little happy stars running around. And the happy trying to fan around.
there's a research going on, get that?
3 little happy stars running around. Na, na,
It's
na.
really just V-Day and we keep getting razzle and dazzle. It's V-Day and we keep getting razzle and dazzle. Yeah, bro.
Don't jinx it, bro. Don't you dare jinx it on me.
Bro, imagine we get big. Nah. Imagine, bro.
No.
God.
No, imagine. No. No, imagine. No, imagine.
Imagine we get...
Don't do this to me.
Imagine we get heels. Imagine we get heels.
Yes, please give us heals.
Imagine we get computer guy.
What? Who's that?
Computer guy. I don't know who's computer guy. It's the computer guy day.
Oh, you mean V?
Wait, was it being
No. Louis saw me again.
It saw me, but it lost interest in you and yet saw me. For some reason.
Louis was just...
Who was on last? Me.
No.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, yes. You are.
Yeah, I think it's you because I'm almost done.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna take a hit soon.
Take a hit, take a hit.
Oh! I almost got hit. After you sing that. Don't say take a hit, I'll take a hit. Look at me right now. I'm just juking them. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Hey, Florida, stop chatting! Florida, stop chatting, please!
First it was me getting spam called, now it's Sophia.
Florida, stop chatting, please! Florida!
Now they're getting spam on me. I won't mute anyways. I muted you anyways. Okay, I'm done. Let's go gameplay. I used to play. Let's go gameplay.
Oh god, dang it! Oh dang it! Wait, I got gumballs.
I got air.
I'll give you that.
I'm gonna go to the fake elevator and use air horn. But I'm gonna follow Jenny.
No!
No, we're cooked.
No, I'm cooked! No, I'm cooked, go! Never mind! Never mind! Never mind! Never mind!
Bro, that's my baby, bro.
No, don't call it that as a monster.
But the bed, there is.
Ah!
Okay. If I just don't worry, I'll hear you.
Let me live.
My baby for real.
Oh! I almost got hit by Shelly and Shrimpo. Ah! You're just watching me suffer. Finn! How do we?
Guys, did you know I love Shelly?
I know. I know. Ah!
Oh my gosh, Shelly and a B-Day, bro. To the viewers, I love Shelly.
Ow! Dang it! I cannot juke her. It's hard to juke her. Bro, you need to heal me. I'm having a main over here.
I'm getting chased behind.
Shrimp, I cannot distract them.
I think one of you guys should distract. Oh my god, this one person on loose.
Guys, is there any pops?
No, it was on the loose.
Guys, is there any pops?
Loose, bro.
Guys, there's any pops for me? I'm gonna lose stamina now.
I can give you healing.
I'm scared of the pop. Huh? Where's that?
You just switched out. No, I'm laggy when I just trust.
Yeah, true.
I'm falling. bugs.
I'm okay for you.
Wait, Finn also here.
Ah!
There's Finn.
You guys get Finn. You guys are. I'm not distracting Finn. I'm not distracting all three.
I can do last one. I can do last.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me, guys! I'm cook. I'm cook for real. One.
I will heal you. Bro.
I didn't look at. I didn't know this Shelly was there. I didn't know this.
Guys,
Okay, good luck.
Rerun.
Yeah, okay. Yes.
Rerun. Alright.
If you want,
Alright.
go. Just do it. Just do it. There goes my baby. Guys,
Why do we do a rerun?
we're doing it.
Rerun.
Yes,
I'm gonna switch on computer now.
bro.
Die to Shelly.
Yes. Go. Go. Go to your. Here goes my baby. I like.
Wrong server. I clicked the wrong server.
Here goes my baby.
Okay, Shelly, thank you.
Here goes my.
Thank you.
At least we got research. Free research. Rerun. Up.